Hello everyone, today we will learn about the team section of the platform BotPenguin. In the team sections, we have two subsections of users and roles. In the role section, we have got a button of create role. By clicking on this, you can create a role. Here you can enter the name for the role. Here you can enter the description. And by giving permissions, by checking the boxes, you can click on this create role. And now here you can see that your role has been created. You can see demo test. You can see the status. You can take actions on this by using this edit button, and also you can delete this by using this delete button. Now we have the user section. Here you can create users by clicking on this button. A user can access your platform. You can provide a name. You can enter an email. You can enter phone number. You can give role that you have created previously. You can see, you can assign the lead availability or visibility to them by the given options, and you can create a password. These credentials will be used by the user to access the platform, and you just click on the create user and your user will be created, and you can see the user here in the list below. Thank you very much.